Now that you've added your calendars, let's create your first sync connection. From the dashboard, click Create Sync, then choose Create Single Sync. Here, you're creating a one-way sync between two calendars. First, select the calendar you want to sync from. This is the calendar where events originate. If that calendar has sub-calendars, you'll see a drop-down, so you can choose which one to include. Next, select the calendar you want events to sync to. This is where copies of those events will appear, and it's usually the calendar you use as your main view. Anytime an event is created, updated, or canceled on the source calendar, CalendarBridge automatically updates the matching copy on the other calendar. Those copied events are read-only. You always edit events on their original calendar, so your existing calendars stay in control. When you're ready, click Continue to Privacy. Here you can control what details are visible on the synced events. If a subject is enabled, then the event title is copied. If attendees is enabled, guest names are copied into the event description without sending invites or updates. If description is enabled, the event description will be copied. Same with location. If conference is enabled, video meeting details like Zoom or Teams are added to the description. If reminders are enabled, default reminders from the calendar you're syncing to are applied. If all private is enabled, copied events appear as busy to the other people in scheduling tools, even if details are included. After setting your privacy preferences, you can add a tag to your sync. Tags help you quickly identify which events are copies and which are originals. We recommend using a tag, but you can also choose no tag. Once you've completed setting your privacy settings, click Continue to Options. Here you can fine-tune how the sync behaves. You can choose a color for copied events, exclude certain types of events, or apply filters like time range or days of the week. Once everything looks right, click Create Sync. Your first single sync connection is now complete. You can come back anytime to edit or delete this sync.